it going, everybody? My name is Billy and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video I'm going to be watching a Diana performance called Blizzard. This seems to be a new song by her. Yeah, a lot of you wanted me to see this. I have great news today because I was able to get the video, so I will have the good quality. Hope to God YouTube does not strike me for this. As you know, I really do enjoy Diana's performances. She has such a great way with her voice. Alright, let's get into this in 3, 2, 1, play. Okay, here we go. Oh, alright. Okay.
Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем, и меня тишину сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Yes. This is beautiful. Oh, the turning. Yes, I really like that turning. The depth.
Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь.
Oh.
Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Oh, heck yeah. I like that. Hit that. Oh. There's emotion in her song and I love it. I feel it. What is this? That note. Wow, what a performance! Oh my goodness, good gracious. A star, an absolute star. That Diana, wow. That actually felt like a blizzard. I was hit with so much in that performance. I loved her vocals. I loved how powerful, you know, such projection. Oh my goodness, people. I'm sorry, I have to calm down. Definitely a song I feel that you can replay many times and you'll never get bored of it. Especially, you know, just to hear her perform this. I feel like it was more powerful when it was not in English. You know, it's interesting how when you hear a song in English and then you hear it in another language, it feels like it means something more and it has more emotional connection. I don't know, that's how I feel when I listen to stuff like this. I just feel really connected, especially with the vocals. She really brought it in this performance. I feel she really put her heart and soul into it. I could see that and I can feel it. It looks like she has fun. I really like how it looks like she is really enjoying what she's doing. Like she looks like she's having a great time up there and performing. Like, yeah, you can tell that she's very passionate about what she does with her music, and I really like that a lot about Diana. Yeah, I've definitely become a fan I have. Like, no questions asked. I think she just has such great talent, and yeah, Blizzard definitely, I'm gonna put that on one of my favorites from her performances, because this song was really good and really well performed. I felt it was a performance where you can take something away from it and just feel like, wow, I want to see it again. Like, it just gave me that feeling of I want more. I admire Diana and her talent. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. The original link will be in the description below, and yeah, that's basically all. I hope you all have a wonderful, fantastic day, and my name is Billy, and Billy is now out. Take care, guys. Bye.